Love making videos for YouTube, especially on things like this that are clear over in the middle of the windshield and extremely low down on the glass. So this is a bullseye chip with a star break in it. It's called a combination chip. Oh, sorry about that. His dog's getting away from him. Sorry, I have to have the door open. Oh, no, you're good. I thought your dog would just stay there. She wants to go see the neighbors, huh?
No, she already ran away once.
Yeah?
She was lost for like 2 days.
Really?
We found her like 30 minutes from here.
She ran away?
Yeah.
Maybe she doesn't like you.
She gets like scared a lot. Like with anything, like she'll just like run away when she gets scared.
Yeah, well that's what they do. They're not fighters.
Yeah.
You know, they're not like a German Shepherd or a Rottweiler.
She's not my dog, it's my girlfriend's dog.
Ah, so she's already nervous because she's with you, and not your girlfriend. Alright guys, we got a good one here. Combination break. It's a bullseye with a bunch of stars coming off of it. I've got the umbrella shading it, but the umbrella's kind of in my way. But we're going to see if we can make this work anyway. Hate it when the umbrella's in my way. Sometimes that happens though, ladies and germs. And I hope you can see what I'm doing, because I'm having a hard time seeing what I'm doing. Told the gentleman I was going to turn on the camera and make a video, and I said, you can stay out here if you want. And he's been staying out here, but his dog got out of the car because I have to keep the door open. Well, his girlfriend's dog, he said. Girlfriend's dog. And that dog over there, seen that when I first pulled up, but I didn't see that it was on a leash. I just saw that the gate was open and there was no gate here. So I stayed out on the road until he got here. Because, you know, we don't just trust dogs automatically. Alright, look at that line filling in. That's beautiful. The lines are filling. Hope you can see that. I'll zoom in if I can. Lines are filling in nice. I got to look through my bifocals. I've got my camera up as high as I can get it right now. Pull a vacuum. We don't want to be pressing on these if we don't have to, because it's really hot. Lines are filling in real nice, so I think I can move this umbrella. I can move it this way, and I know it looks like it's in the same spot, but it's not going to be here in a minute. So what I want to do is get it to swing around this way and down more, because the sun is still somewhat low in the sky. And that'll keep it shaded, and I don't have to work around it now. A little more pressure. I can actually rest my arm on it now. A little more pressure, a little more pressure, a little more pressure. Very little pressure. Just, I mean, I'm making microscopic adjustments here, guys. Little microscopic adjustments. Pull another vacuum. Now see, that line on the other side over there in the mirror doesn't look like it's full, but I can tell by looking at the glass itself that it's full, because that's what I look at them both ways. she's filling. We just have to be patient. Long lines, you have to be patient with long lines. You can't get in a hurry with long lines. And you have to do multiple pressure and vacuum cycles with long lines. So now, because it's clear over there in the middle of the car, as you can see, I'm standing up in the door, because that's what I do when they're way over in the middle of the windshield. And I'm not worried about falling or anything else. I can just lean on the car. Pull another vacuum cycle, and then I think we'll be good. I'm pretty sure we'll be good. Looks like they're all filled in. We'll take the tool off while it's under vacuum. Take a look. Yep, she's filled. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how we do it. She was a pretty one, let me tell you. There's a line down there. God, I hate it when people put that Rain-X crap on their glass. Because then the resin doesn't like to stick to the windshield. It just beads up and rolls off. That's not good. And you got to kind of move the tape around in it to get the tape wet so that it'll stick to so the resin will get on the tape, and then the tape will stick to the glass. It's all part of it, though, and we have to deal with things. Alright, let's get the mirror off the windshield, let that cure. Not the mirror, the umbrella. We'll let that cure in the sun a little bit. We'll see what it looks like when we're finished. We're not done yet. Still got a little bit to go. Good. It's not going to be 100% invisible, you know, because it's impossible to make them all 100% invisible. But it'll be a lot less visible and it won't crack. And that's what we're looking for. Get the mirror out of the inside. I don't have to wipe off the inside of the windshield because I couldn't stick the mirror. As you can see, all I could do was lay it in there. Because it's so close to the dashboard, I couldn't stick it. So, we're going to wait a second for that to cure. And then we'll scrape her clean. Now I don't need to be on top of the car. I can do it from out here now. Now I can do it from down here. Just got to wait for it to cure the rest of the way. There's that piece of tape that was stuck in my rag. See that? I was telling you, you get a little piece of tape like that stuck in your rag. And when you're wiping off the windshield, it'll look like you're drawing on the windshield with a white marker. Because it'll leave white streaks. That's all it is, a little piece of tape stuck in there. I was looking for that the other day. A little piece of tape stuck in the rag. And I couldn't find it. But we found it now. Sun hit it just right so we could see it. Get my glasses up where you can see again. She's looking pretty doggone good, guys. couple more seconds, we'll be able to peel that resin off of there. Go ahead and close up my bags. Now I got to go all the way to Harriman. 30-minute ride. By the way, it's a Sunday. Just so you know, it's a Sunday. I work 7 days a week. I know you guys probably don't, but I do. Because, you know, life is better when you got more cheddar. That's a fact. She's looking good. Looking good, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. She's fixed and she ain't gonna crack. And that's it. You saw how big that was. Now look. You can't even see it from out here. And I could clearly see it when he pulled up. And you can't see it from inside either. Get a glint of it when the light hits it just right. So we know we did good. Alright, that's it for this video, ladies and germs. Hit the like button, click the subscribe button, share the video, and throw me some love. I'll see you in the next video.